What way you want to go? Left or right? I'd say go right. What do you think? Good morning. Beautiful day. Day. Good day. Nice little dance. Oh man, Bailey, what do you like at all? As I keep saying, Dr. Martin named him Goofball.
I see the big version of you, Bailey. I see the big version of you. Maybe we can get a brother just like him for you.
Oh, you like that play? Yeah, almost 2.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, he's a lot bigger, isn't he?
My goodness. Say hello. Say hello.
We keep having to get him skinned down like that because he just mats up so much.
Well, he's getting done next week.
Yeah.
Because we didn't do it the winter because he likes being outdoors.
Yeah. Oh, I know.
And he's getting matty now and trying to.
Yeah.
They're brutal for that, aren't they? As soon as it gets wet, that's it.
Oh my God, wicked, yeah.
And we're always trying to groom them.
And brushing, he thinks it's a game all the time trying to brush him because we don't brush him enough. But
Only time I can ever get him done at all is when he's lying on the bed.
yeah, that's
First
what
in the morning?
We do it that way because he's more mellow.
Not sure. I don't know if it's bad state or not. Is an R44 the same as they got up Paddy's Pan? It's a Paddy's Pan chopper. I've seen that white one up there before.
Explore? Look, Pete, there's your ship coming in.
Oh. And I'm not at the wharf. Oh well.
Salt air.
Yep. Very much so. That's these, I don't know what it is, I suppose it's ducks or something. Great big rock. There are a lot of people out on the go today.
Good morning.
Hoist your sail, chart your course, go out and explore. We'll go out on the beach there. Oh, it's beautiful up here. Isn't it? Isn't it? Oh. It almost looks like summer up here. The temperature's not there yet. Nice little beach here, well. It's not Florida now, but when the sun is out real nice and hot in the summer, you come here, boy, and
Flies everywhere.
torture with flies. Yeah, we go on up that way. The old railway tie here. Right there. I think it's all clouded over back in town, but my God, it's beautiful up here.
Looks like he's moving this way.
Yeah, you can see it down there to the north. Down north.
This way.
You're gonna sing the Kelly story? What are you doing? Are you singing it? No, you're whining it. Whiny. Little whiny. Whiny whiner. The Kelly story.
Oh.
A couple of nice shots. Oh. I said Pee Wee Herman back there ringing his bell, huh? Bling bling. Now, how about this? What? I wonder what this street is. I'm gonna head to look on the phone there on the map. Because you can come down here and look at that. Isn't that nice? Isn't it though? Isn't it? I should get me drone up there. What's coming behind us? A big pooch. We were talking to that lady earlier. Ah, there goes the phone. Hi, buddy. You enjoying your walk, Bailey? On a beautiful day?
No more yet, bud. No more yet.